Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the adapter exists and is enabled. Open Device Manager, locate the network adapter, and check the driver version so you know what to update. Once done, make sure physical switches and airplane mode are off and plug in an Ethernet cable if needed. Then open Network Connections and enable the adapter if it's disabled. These steps get you into an active state where the system can communicate and accept configuration changes without wasting time on basic checks. Now you focus on detailed configuration and why it matters. Open Adapter Properties and choose IP4 settings. Use DHCP for simplicity or set a static IP when required by a network. Add DNS servers to speed resolution. Next, tweak link speed, duplex, and offload options to match your network and reduce latency. Update or reinstall the driver from the vendor to fix compatibility bugs, and make sure power management won't sleep the adapter. These middle steps optimize reliability. Finish by validating the connection and applying quick fixes. You run ipconfig and ping the gateway and an external IP to confirm routing, then test DNS by pinging a hostname. If issues persist, use network reset or uninstall and reinstall the adapter, then reboot so settings apply. For stubborn problems, flush DNS and reset TCP/IP stacks using ipconfig/flushtons and netch-int IP reset. This often resolves corrupt caches and routing glitches. Make that troubleshooting tip your first recovery step before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.